Okay, so the one that we are paying for $10 for both of them is only for like this 2 to 3.
It's the painting fees. Yes.
Pumpkin seater, may unicorn, may shirt. Dami din dito mga coin.
I want the hot clouds.
Mermaid, Noe, then may castle.
Mommy, I want a hot cloud.
What's this, Noe? What's this, Abia?
Llama. I want that one. I want something like a that one.
That one?
Yeah. Got something cute.
Kaya nga, something useful. Ito kay Noe. Oh.
This one. Yay!
Then, ito yung mga colors. Pick kayo ng colors.
I want the red and green. Mommy, I want red and green.
You don't need it soaking, just damp. It helps the paint to stick better. So you guys can start out with that. You each have a sponge. You have your water here. Yep, so you can moisten your sponges and pick out your colors. And when you have your colors picked out, I'll help you from there.
Okay, thank you. Pick your colors.
Look! You can see?
Okay, basahin mo na.
Yun muna.
What's
Tapos lagyan natin na...
I love this thing.
Ano pa? Yun lang. This
I
one.
love it. I love my day. 110.
Anong gusto mong color? Dito. Dili agad. Orange, then...
I love blue.
Wag yung blue yan. This blue.
Okay, this blue. Mommy knows just picking whatever color
then?
she wants.
Sobrang basa, ano?
Yan o, parang ganun lang.
Dampen lang. Konti lang sa biya.
Okay, the whole thing. I want to do that. It's mine.
Nadampen lang natin.
It's not yours. It's not yours, Mommy. It's mine.
Konti lang, ano ha? Nadampen mo lang.
Dumpin. Can I try? Even here?
Lahat.
Inside? My best day ever. Okay. I love this.
That's just because they're not baked in place in our kiln just yet. But if you do want it to show up nice and solid like how it does here, you want 3 thick coats.
6.
Otherwise it might come up a little light or a little streaky, but 3 thick coats makes it nice and solid.
Clean it out.
Yeah.
Ito bambak.
6.
Ito, ipepe ko sa lahat.
Okay, I'll paint
Yeah.
it.
Pin coats lang muna, no? Sa
back.
biya.
This one.
Ito anak, para pwede mo lang siyang ilikot na gano'n.
Ano, ito, ano?
Itang gamitin mo, ano?
Help mo na.
Okay. Don't forget my sleeves. They may get dirty. I love painting. They might get dirty. you dry,
Can
dry,
I make
dry, dry. Yeah, you can make different dry things you say. I want to do that.
Sige, sausaw mo ulit.
Now, mommy, can I do the seed? I love painting.
Kaya.
Painting is fun. I love painting, Daddy. I'm almost done.
Ano yan?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Kala mo strawberry. Circle. I make something.
Ayan na yung nagawa namin. Nalagay na kami ng seeds. Wow! Sabi ang ganda.
Yeah,
How about you, Noe?
I'm almost done.
Almost done. We're making second coats of strawberry seeds.
And yes, they're so pretty.
Paano na?
Tapos na kami ng Sabia.
Mommy, but not,
Ayan
not
yung
still
nagawa
done,
namin.
Mommy.
Tapos sa likod, may name niya.
Still done.
Cute. Patingin lang sa'yo, Noe.
Not still done, Mommy.
Not still done. Kulang pa.
Because I'm still painting.
Wow. Yung ilalim, patingin. Meron ba?
That means you really like us.
Are you happy, Sabia?
Yeah, I love this plate.
So, ayan. Kailan
I'm
kukunin?
still painting. 3
8 to
days.
12 days.
8 to 12 days. Balikan natin after 8 to 12 days. We got discount sa studio fee. Buy one, get one. So, isang studio fee ang binayaran. Because Tuesday ngayon. So, dito kami nag-paint sa Color Me Mine here in Edison. Maraming silang branches, guys. And actually, sa Philippines, meron nito sa may BGC, pagkaalam ko. So, yun, guys.
Several days later.
Sabi, ay, tulog na si Noe!
Hello.
Who's excited?
Pottery painting again.
Again?
Yeah.
Tulog na si Noe! Iwanan natin siya sa car. Ano yan? Nilagyan mo na sa ano? Bahay yan, o? Pwede sa...
We're getting the pottery paper. Remember when Mommy videoed it?
So, receive kami ng message from Color Me Mine na pwede na i-pick up yung mga ceramics na ginawa namin last time.
So when
na si Mia.
Tuesday,
Excited na ako makita yung gawa ni Noe.
nung nagawa sa
Yeah, 5 days lang available na siya for pick up. Bilis lang, sabi kasi 8 to 14 days, pero available na siya ngayon. Sabi, ikaw na lang kumuha. Anak, baka makulog. Dito.
Dishwasher safe, microwave safe.
I like art. So cute. I love art.
Good job.
Okay na?
You guys are all good. Have a nice time.
Me hold it. Me hold it. Me
Careful. Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, ako na. Baka mabagsak.
Nahuli.
Okay, tara. Yan, pakita niya. Okay.
Got inside. I love it.
So, patingin po nung pinaint ni Noe. Can you show it to us?
I got all the decorations I want.
What's the decorations you got?
And on the bottom,
Wow! Ano to?
star.
Stars, and then what
Smiley
else?
face, hearts, my name,
And then
smiley face, heart, date.
love it?
I love this book.
Okay. How about ate?
And I made my name myself. And the strawberry.
Wow, ganda.
Cute.
In a
It looks like
heart
milk.
plate with strawberries.
And you know what?
Saan mo siya gagamitin?
For egg.
For egg? For breakfast? Okay. How about you, Noe? Saan mo gagamitin yun sa'yo?
Cereal. For cereal.
For cereals. Wow. Are you happy? Are you happy?
I got 3 lucky days. It was my lucky day to paint my unicorn and then go to
Show them
color.
your unicorn. Come here.
I get to paint this unicorn and then I get to paint this and then it's my birthday at Wednesday. I got 3 lucky days and I painted this unicorn and then I get to paint this and then it was my birthday at Wednesday.
Yung unicorn, nilapit mo nga yung unicorn. Yeah. That's your nonong's gift to you.
Yeah,
Ganda, no? Oh, may crystals siya.
crystal.
When you painted it.
And it even has silver on it.
Okay, so yan yung gift ng nonong niya ng birthday niya. Tapos pinaint din namin.
Hindi real.
Ang birthday mo pa rin yun. Hindi lang nung araw ng birthday mo binigay. Right? Yeah, binigay lang in advance kasi aalis siya eh. Okay? Okay, goodbye! So, yan yung kay Noe. Ang cute naman. Ang gulo-gulo lang ng mga design. Tapos may date. Yan. Gagamitin daw niya for cereals. Tapos ito yung kay Savia. Heart plate. Tapos, ayan, may name niya sa likod. And may strawberry na design. Tinulungan ko siya gumawa niyan. Pang breakfast mo to.
Yeah, every time I'm gonna eat egg with that. Oh,
Okay, egg lang. How about rice and
chicken.
hot dogs?
Nuggets. Chicken nuggets.
Cute ng ano. Yan.
Mami,
Dishwasher safe
Ito?
na siya. Cute, oh.
dapat niyo remove.
Next time gagawa ulit tayo yan. Right?